Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi OnePlus system 18 volt hybrid portable fan. This is hybrid, so this is extension cord and battery operated. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, hit the bell notification. Unfortunately, YouTube, that's the way they run their platform, by subscribers, likes, and by hitting the bell too, so you can get all the notifications, so you can help out the channel, buy more tools like this, make more videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much, let's see here, we got the Ryobi hybrid fan. It is the P3320. I did get this, I believe it was $25 and some change with the deal, the $99 deal. The two batteries, two 4 amp hour batteries, the black batteries, and a charger and a bag, and that was $99. And if you add this to the cart, you get it for about $25 or so, and that deal is online right now. Some stores don't have them, some stores do, but anyways, we're not here to talk about that. If you want to hear about that deal, check out my videos from Home Depot, but this video is about the review, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and check it out. So alright, we got it says no extension cord included, sold separately, battery and charger, so everything's sold separately, even batteries. This is just the tool only. So you guys see there some demonstration of how you can use it on the floor, or you can hang it up with this hook. It does have, I think it does have a hook, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys, see what's up. All right, check out if I'm in frame here. So as you guys can see, the fan does come in like a flat to the top. So we're gonna take it out. Obviously we got some instructions. I'm gonna put this on the side, nothing else inside the box. So we do have some instructions here. It says operator's manual, 18 volt hybrid portable fan. We're gonna set these aside, and we got some more instructions here. Let's see. Okay, this is, I believe this is the part that goes through the front. So this is the fan here. It's a little scratch there. Everything's to be pretty much plastic. Got some strings of plastic there. It seems to be pretty decent made, pretty well made actually. So it might absorb some impacts from the looks of it. It is, as you guys can see, it is well constructed. It does have these bars here, so for more strength. Same thing with the ones on the back. Let's see here on this side, the same. It does have some screws on the back, I guess, so you can remove it and clean out the insides. And then the back here, you got, let's see here, see if we can get it closer. We got an on and off button here, so that's pretty much the second speed, off and then on. Pretty self-explanatory there. And then we have it's the P3320, 120 volts, 18 volts. And then here's the most interesting part. Here's the extension cord, where the extension cord goes in. Alright, so we got an extension cord here. It's actually from my solar. I don't know if you guys you guys watch my channel before, but yeah, I do solar videos. I do have a solar system, and I run an extension cord in my house. Basically run half of my house with an extension cord. So that's basically how it's already on. So that's basically how it plugs in. This is where the battery goes. that's how you would plug it in, basically, just like that, like so. And that's how you would get this to operate with the, does have some sort of hanging hooks there. I believe it should have another one. Yeah, it's right here. It does have another hanging hook here. You can basically hang it up upside down, like so, you know, like that. Just hang it from here, and then you can just twist it down. If it's up there, you can twist it down, twist it up. Feels pretty nice. I like the way it feels when you go like that. Just feels really nice. And it does have a stopping, I believe. Yeah, it does have a little tab here, so you don't actually, you don't overdo it, you know. Same thing with here. It does have like a tab there, so it'll stop you from over turning it and probably hurting the internals. As you guys see on the fan there, I don't know if you guys could see the inside, but if you guys look at the inside, it does have some sort of indentations there, like a screw, like a plus and a circle. That could be to help out with the airflow, you know, or cooling, the having more airflow in there. And that's the, like I said, this is the battery compartment. We do have a 3 amp hour battery here, so we'll check it out. So it's pretty solid, you know, it's not going anywhere. Our Ryobi tools are very solid. It says cordless or electric, lithium ion or lithium plus hybrid 18 volts. Let's turn it on and speed one first. So speed 1. I gotta say, for the size, it's brand new, but yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, for a little fan like this, I gotta say it's really nice. That's the way it looks from the back. And let me turn it on so you guys will see how it looks from the back. Pretty nice. I do have to say this is worth the money, especially if you get it with that deal, the $25 deal. Feel free to check out my videos. I believe it's like 2 or 3 videos before this, and I believe it's only available online, at least in my area. It's only available online. So yeah, you might want to try your Home Depot, nearest Home Depot, see if they have the buy one get one free deal, the buy the batteries and get the free tool. So on your nearest Home Depot. But for me, they don't have that deal yet. It's only online. So I did get this online and went to the store and picked it up. Like I said, I got this one to go to the store, and the other one to go to the house, so shipping to the house. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick video on this product. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. And if you want to help out the channel, remember to subscribe. All right, thank you guys for watching.